Hi, this is John in Los Angeles. It's April 1st, Easter Sunday, and oh look, we got a little sprayer in the middle of this hole. It's Easter Sunday and also April Fool's Day, and I wish this sky was an April Fool's joke. It's not funny to me. Look at this. It's so weird. There was nothing in this hole, and I aimed the camera at it, and sure as crap, comes right through the middle of it. I'm going to show you the whole sky here, guys. Take a look at this crap.
I don't want to bother you.
It's okay. You're all right.
You're having fun then.
I'm not having fun at all.
No?
No. Look it up there. You can see a little shadow through there, or a cut through it, whatever that is. Look at these guys. And the old dripper over to the side here. You can see that too down in there. Look at this. Anyway, I just want to share this with you. Somebody was watching me film this crap, so I was just talking to them. Anyway, just want to show you the sky, guys. It's just a sick, sad situation we're in here. People better get it soon. Seriously. Alrighty, I'll talk to you soon.